Uh, Hi, let's get started now. So today we are going to work on report definition with sub-report. Okay. So here requirement is, so we need to, for each operator, we need to display the work object ID, the label, status, and last update date for the last work item they updated within a given work type. Okay, so for each operator, so we need to display all this work object data for the last work item they updated. Okay, so for this scenario, so we cannot achieve by using the single report definition. Okay, so first we are going to create a sub report with the update operator and update time. Okay, so let's create a report called most recent update by operator. So which is going to fetch all the operators along with recent update date. Clear? Okay. So I am going to create this report under auto loan work type. What are the reports? Report definition, most recent update by operator. Okay, so which is the report definition name. Okay, so create and open. Px update operator. See here, operator operator is different from px update operator name, right? So which is going to fetch operator ID. If you use operator name, which is going to fetch operator name, not ID. Okay. So one more column, px update date time. So which is the recent work object updated date. So here, so we need to fetch the recent update date time for each operator, right? So here we need to use the max. That means for each operator which is going to display the max update date. That means the recent update date. Clear? Yeah. So next I am going to create the main report for fetching all the work object data with PYID, PY label, PY status work, which display the work object data, and last update date. Okay, so these are the different properties we need to use in the main report. Okay, next create a report called fetch work object details for operator. Okay, create and open. Px update operator. PYID, which is the work object ID or case ID. PY label, which is type of the work type. PY status work. Okay, so which is the work object status. Px update date time. Okay, so when you run this report, you will get all the operators along with work object data. See here, So it is fetching all the operators along with the work object details. But so here we need to fetch, okay, the operators with the recent update date time. Okay, so here, so it has to fetch, okay, admin pnb operator 1 and pnb operator 2. So here we have three distinct operators and along with recent update time. So for already, so we have a sub report with operator id and recent update date, right? So we are going to use that report in the main report. Okay, so for that, so go to the data access. Okay, so here we have a option to include the sub reports. Okay, so here we need to specify the class name where we have the sub report. So what is the class? Yeah, pnb hyphen pnb loans work hyphen auto loan. Okay, so here you specify the prefix of the report and select the report from drop down. Okay, so this is the sub report. Okay, so but here we need to include the conditions, right? So click on configure sub report column. Update operator is equivalent to main report update operator. Okay, update time is equivalent to main report px update date time. Okay, so here we need to include only matching rows from both the reports. Okay, so whatever the, so it is going to fetch only the matched records. So you will get all the operators with the recent update date time. Okay, so here filter conditions a and b, that means both should match. So if you are going to put a or b, so if either one of the conditions satisfies, it is going to fetch the data. Okay, in our scenario it should be a and b. Okay, so click on submit, save, go to the actions, run it. See now, so it is fetching all the operators along with the recent update date. Okay, clear? Yeah.